Hey, my name is Zach. If you're trying to draw a straight line in Photoshop, then you actually have an easy process ahead of you. So if you follow me along here, I'll show you how to do that. So you can see on my computer here, I have a blank canvas, and I'm going to make a line. In order to do that, we're going to go to the left toolbar and go to this square here. Click and hold, and go down to Line Tool. Alternately, you can hit the letter U 5 times to bring up the line tool. Now when I start to click and drag it out, I can drag anywhere I want, but if I want to make sure it's a straight line, there's not really a way to tell. But if I hit and hold the Shift button, it'll give me a straight line right across. All I have to do is let go. And I can do this multiple times. My name's Zach, and I just showed you how to draw a straight line in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.